Meteorologist Matthew East here with you. This is the July 6th edition of the Carolina Weather Video. I hope everyone had a wonderful 4th of July weekend, and we certainly had some pretty delightful weather. One of the most pleasant type of 4th of July weekend weather conditions we've had in quite a while in recent memory. It was really nice. Low humidity, some record lows even on Saturday morning. And things changing, turning around pretty quickly. We're going to be making a run at some record highs across the region over the next couple of days. Now, as we enjoyed that pleasant weather over the weekend, really the core of the heat was off to our north. Here is the watch, warning, and advisory chart this morning, and still, again today, you have places off to our north. The big cities there in the I-95 corridor included in a heat advisory again for today. And that's where the core of the heat has been over the past few days. Let me show you the current temperatures. Now, these are actually 4 a.m. Eastern Time temperatures. And you can clearly pick out that we have kind of been the isolated area of more pleasant conditions. A lot of heat sort of all around our region. And you're looking at a current temperature, I just checked, New York City here, a 5 a.m. temperature of 84 degrees. That is pretty nasty stuff. And here's the dew point temperatures. We've also enjoyed the lower levels of humidity, but you notice off to our north and off to our south, you have those higher dew point temperatures, meaning it is a muggier air mass. And we're going to begin to feel some of the effects of especially the increased heat, certainly, over the next 48 hours. There's the upper air chart this afternoon, and there's our dreaded 594 decameter ridge or high pressure aloft sitting right across the region. And that is going to really begin to crank the heat. But notice what happens later this week. Let me go back to that first chart. There's a little upper level low out in the Atlantic Ocean, and notice here by the time we get to Thursday evening, that little upper level low is approaching, and then a trough settles in over the weekend. So let's get into what that means in terms of the tangible weather here across our area. First of all, today it's going to be hot, a lot of mid-90s for high temperatures across the region. Tomorrow, even hotter. I believe a lot of upper 90s and probably quite a few spots hitting 100 tomorrow afternoon. Some record high temperatures will be challenged across the region. I also need to mention, let me go back to tomorrow weather. Today and tomorrow the air quality is a pretty big deal in terms of how unhealthy it is in some spots. A code red air quality day today for the Charlotte region, code orange for Raleigh and for the triad, and we'll see how the air quality forecasts wind up shaking out for tomorrow. Now, the effects of that upper level low backing in Thursday begin to be seen, as we could begin to see the chance for a few of those showers and storms actually backing in here from the east. At the same time, there's a stronger cold front organizing off to our west by Friday. And it could be a few showers and storms Friday, but I still think Saturday is the day this week that has the best opportunity for seeing some scattered showers and storms. And that front looks like it'll probably wind up stalling out somewhere fairly close by, so that'll leave us in a relatively muggy air mass there as we go through Sunday and Monday, and each day there featuring the chance for at least a few scattered afternoon showers and thunderstorms. Now let me shift gears very quickly, show you the tropics. You have this little area of low pressure pop near the Louisiana coast, but it's now really largely inland. A lot of flooding problems in southern Louisiana, though. And we're also watching still this tropical wave that's affecting the western Caribbean and the Yucatan Peninsula. That'll begin moving into the Gulf of Mexico here in the next couple of days, and that could wind up developing. Whatever does develop probably winds up heading toward Texas. So that's the tropical scoop this morning. All right, that's it for today's edition of the Carolina Weather Video. Stay cool, have a great Tuesday, and God bless.